everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 942 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Jersey Shore Cosmetics Watermelon Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm, and this is a product I got in my August 2020 Ipsy Glam bag. And I have never heard of the brand Jersey Shore Cosmetics, and it is not a merch product from the show. I was looking them up online and I couldn't find this exact product on their website, and Ipsy didn't give me a retail value of this, but they have a bunch of other lip balms on the website that retail for $10. It's cruelty free and it's made with sunflower oil and shea butter. You know what? I don't think this one's actually made of shea butter, even though it said it on the Ipsy app. I don't see shea butter in the ingredients, but I do see that every ingredient listed here is organic. So this is a fully organic product. It's cruelty free, all natural. Wow, so I love that. I love that it's all natural and organic, but that is not even called out as a main selling feature. But to me, that's what makes this really cool and unique. So if you want to see my unbagging of my Ipsy Glam bag, I will have that video linked in the description down below. But so here's what it looks like. Yes, it smells so good. Watermelon was always my favorite scent in lip balms and lip glosses. So I'm really excited that I got this in watermelon, and it smells like the most delicious watermelon scent. I'm very excited about this. I definitely need it to hydrate my dry lips. So let's go ahead and see how it is. That flavor, that scent just makes this so awesome. But it is a really awesome lip balm. Super hydrating. I like the kind of thick texture to it because that really hydrates my dry lips. Like, my lips look so perfectly hydrated right now. There's even a little bit of enhancing shine. My lips look smoothed out, which is something I look for in my hydrating lip products. Like, the lines in my lips are much smoother, and it seriously does not get any faster or easier to apply. This lip product feels so nice on my lips. This might be my shortest review video ever because it's just great. I have no complaints. It's what I would hope for in a lip balm like this. So I love this. Sometimes I'd say, you know, why spend $10 on a lip balm when you can get a lip balm that's pretty much just as good for $1? But in this case, I feel like this is a great lip balm to get because it's all natural and organic, which I love organic products. That's just kind of the type of person that I am. I'm the type that pays extra to have something be organic. So I love that this is organic, but then I love that it has this scent. It's a smaller makeup brand, which I think those brands are great to support. So I'm very happy about this and really glad that I got to show it on my channel. If you have ever tried out any products from Jersey Shore Cosmetics, I would love to hear your thoughts on those in the comments down below. And if you have any other products that you would recommend, because I love trying out new makeup brands, especially when I love them as much as I love this lip balm. It's funny, I was saying in yesterday's video that I tried out a lip gloss and I was like, I'm surprised I'm not as excited about this lip gloss. Like, sometimes I get really excited even about lip balms. This is an exact example of how it doesn't matter what the product is, I can still get so excited and love it so much. I have tried out so many lip balms on my channel and in my lifetime, and for me to still get excited about a lip balm, I feel like that says a lot about a lip balm. So I'm really glad that I have this. Maybe at first when I got in Ipsy, I was like, oh, another lip balm, but I'm really happy about this. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.